Hi there, Tasha here from Red Pandas Digital. In this short HubSpot how-to video, I'm going to take you through using contact, company and deal views to cut through and segment your data most efficiently. Let's have a look. Okay, so once you're in your HubSpot dashboard, you can click contacts and then navigate through to contacts. You can pretty much do the same thing for companies, deals, and then custom objects as well if you've got that level of subscription to HubSpot. So up the top here is where you can see obviously those objects I just mentioned, as well as how many records you have got in those objects. So we've got almost 5,000 contacts. Then to create that view that we've been talking about, what we're going to do is have to filter and cut through the data. So whatever data you have in HubSpot, you can cut through, you can filter via. So we're going to click more filters. And for this example, I'm going to use last activity date, and I'm going to say, is this year? So this is basically showing me anyone that I know has been active in my system, my digital ecosystem in the last year to the current calendar, right? So once I click that and then I click apply filter, straight away I can see a massive drop. Obviously I've got about just under 2,000 contacts out of those 5,000 that are actually active within my system. I'm going to click X here, and straight away, really quickly, I've pulled up a cut through segmented database. Then what I can do, if I'm going to be revisiting this view frequently and I want to save it for later, I can save this view. I'm going to want to save it as a new view, give it a name, whatever you want to call it. Now it can be saved privately to your team with everyone. Up to you how you want to save it. And then what's even more awesome is that I can actually pin it to keep it open every time I come into HubSpot, so that I don't have to go and find that view every single time. It's pretty much like bookmarking something, but you're bookmarking it within HubSpot. You can do that with pretty much as many as you want and just kind of tab them all across here. Some of the other views that I find really helpful for some of my clients include lead status, open deals, tasks opened, and the other one was most active leads. So that's people that have obviously been visiting your website, opening your emails. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Creating custom HubSpot views for your contacts, deals, companies, or even custom objects is pretty straightforward. A couple of steps, and you can really quickly and efficiently cut through the data that you have in HubSpot. If you want any help or some insights on how to optimize your HubSpot portal for success, make sure you reach out to us at redpandas.com.au. Thanks.